Today we almost forget about commands that we use in the consoles and while managing servers. So I've created this CmdVault to manage and save all of the commands we use either monthly or weekly and forget about it. Also, it is synced and secured over your infrastructure. I don't use your data or to be clear, this project does not store anything unless you do. So it's built by shajara.xa, which is the infrastructure for me, Mohammed Jdan, so it can be used for you. This landing page does not have any links to the actual tool, so let's go over it. It's just a landing page and documentation of how to use this tool. It is really simple. It has 5 parts of the docs, API reference, and how to use it, which is really simple, but it's only an example, so you have everything over GitHub. This is the actual tool, GitHub, and here we have a link to the actual API, so you can use it over your WordPress site. You can use this plugin to work as an API, so you store all of your commands on the WordPress database. I don't store any of your data. It's all over your infrastructure of storing and managing data. So the docs have simple explain of the API itself, while it's only one page and it has everything you need, from how to use it over API commands and status, and how is the data structure works. Also how to handle errors. As you see here, it's only 3 types of that. Here over the actual tool, it's a really simple interface. It has Arabic and English. So, and the most important part is the settings gear. Here, as you can see, it can be used to store in JSON file, while if you use this tool locally on your machine, you can or you may use the JSON file storing method as a simple way as it can be, or to use the browser storage, which is normally you can switch to immediately, and it will migrate all of your data from the cloud or from JSON files into the browser storage. The problem with the browser storage, it's only stay here in your browser. If you switch browsers, it does not move the data with you. So that is really bad to use. So I offered WordPress API or plugin as to be your main database for storing commands, as well as JSON file if you prefer to use local things and don't want to use any of the websites or even store it anywhere on the web. So if you had really secret commands or secret sauce. So as you can see here is add command. It's really simple. You can add the command name, a description of how to use this command or its options. Also here you can paste the same command. Here we have category. As you can see, I made some testing things. This is not my actual account or data of commands, so I kept that for private things. Also here, as you can see, you can add a new category from the add command pop-up. Also, you can create a new folder as well. Also, you have tags and keybinds. Let's see how keybind works, because it's really useful things that I used too much. So I used it like the most thing that made me to use this or made this tool is I was setting up my VPS, the main VPS. So I used really a lot of commands, so I had to save it somewhere. So if I had to create my VPS again or move to new one, I don't have to research or even do it again, like typing and etc. So let's say, for example, the most used command sudo update in the open-to-world or management servers, and here let's say this command is for updating server. So let's say here we add it to utils, here we add it to ubuntu. Let's say here this must be .cmd. Now let's assign a keybind. So let's say I want this to work for Alt F5 and save it. So now if I pressed Alt 5, it will copy the sudo update. That's it. Now you have to just paste it in the command line. As you see, I pasted here in the search. That's it. I think this is really useful. You can modify it however you want. It's the links will be in the description of this video. Let's take a look over the WordPress plugin. This is this page. Let's log in. Here's the settings of this plugin. As you can see, the login is not loaded. That's all right. But you have two modes of the auth. You have the application password only or the legacy password only, which is your actual password of the WordPress site. So here we have the API logs, as you can see. So let's go back to let's actually connect my APIs. So let's say I'm here in the tool. I go to settings, choose you can use this link to connect it. So it's already hosted for you. You may use it. So let's say the link I want to use, this link of your website here, and the password. As you can see, you can select remember for any of this and then press connect, and it will connect itself. As you can see, when I update, it fetched all of the commands I used. However, the last added CMD that we used to copy the sudo update, it already was selected WordPress API, and it was not connected. So in order for that to be solved, if you want to migrate all of what you created before you connect to WordPress, all what you have to do is go to browser storage and switch back to WordPress API, and it will merge all of the data again to your account or to your database on WordPress. I hope that was really simple video and you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment if you want. It's all for you. The links of the GitHub repository will be in the description. Thank you all.